Yeah, like I was saying though, you know what I'm saying? With that that what we was talking about?
Like
Yeah.
everybody.
My bad, I got it. Yeah, like the look, the corona thing and all that. The reason I ain't fucking with it, cause it's too, they did a lot of psychological warfare with that shit, bro. Like when that flu vaccine came, I remember them saying, okay, the flu vaccine is out. It came out years ago. I remember you ride by Walgreens, got a little sign up there, you know what I'm saying, a free flu vaccine. They go like, okay, that what's up, No, we ain't sweat it. Whoever wanted, they went and got it. You know what I'm saying? But with this shit here, it's shit too ill, dog. Right? They didn't give away fried chicken, money, racks, all type of shit, bro. All type of free shit, all type of, I mean, like even Juvenile. Shame on you, Juvenile. And one day, Zalik know me, I may do some foul shit. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? I may make a mistake and just be like, shame on you, Zalik know me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, boy, y'all dropped the ball with that shit, Ju. You feel me? They dropped the ball with that shit. Boy, that shit, when I seen that shit was like Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger, nigga. Vax that thing up. Oh, y'all. You feel me?
I still ain't seen the video yet. I gotta go see.
You ain't even gotta see the, but you seen the post. Like I ain't even gotta listen to the song, dog. Knowing that y'all didn't, it was back that thing up. Now it's backs that thing up. See, shit like that's a scary moving. That like the wall start moving in, like the four corners, the wall start moving in. Nigga, what? Like nigga, we coming for you, nigga. Like we got Juvie, nigga. Yeah, you know how hard we fuck with Juvie, dog. Even beyond the hot boy, that 400 degrees, bruh. Come on, bruh. And still fuck with it. That's how we know a lot of shit music nigga was doing. Y'all nigga was being possessed by them righteous answers, and they were just putting lyrics, spinning them through y'all. Cause like we see them today, CeeLo, nigga CeeLo had to draw all his old ear niggas on some other shit. That one y'all, I don't know what happened to y'all. But some of them niggas need to go back and listen to their own albums. That's CeeLo, that's Juvie, all that shit. You know what I'm talking about? Go back and listen to your own albums, music you made. That's how we know it wasn't them. Dog niggas be getting possessed and shit and think it be them. They just got possessed. Just like to spit that fire, bro. But yeah, Juvenile, vax that thing up. You feel me? But I just want to say, I ain't fucking with it, bro. No, I ain't fucking with it. If I do, that shit gonna be somewhere down the road, years and years, when they done did a study, all that real shit. But right now, the way they doing it, I ain't fucking with it, bro.
It's too publicized. Like it's like, cause I had my neighbor next. Like I was just talking to him. Like it's crazy. We need to do a documentary on him too. And like my old house where I used to live at,
Yeah.
I went over there today. Remember there used to be that die-hard Christian dude next door. And I asked him, because I was just cutting through, and I cut through my old crib, and I saw my side. And I know he don't want that. We used to debate in a way. Then I asked him, did you get the vaccine? I know, because he a Christian. I know Christian not supposed to get no vaccine.
I'm saying, hold on. Respect to the Christians, but I want to, the super Christian. But I'm saying he a Christian, like he got the white Jesus on the wall Christian. He one of them Black Power Christians. What are you trying to see?
Man, white in the wall.
Oh, he got a white Jesus on the wall?
Yeah, because he said color don't matter, but white is
Yeah, get him out of here. Yeah, nah, we good. Yeah, get him the fuck out of here. Go ahead, finish what you were saying, bro.
So I asked him, did you get the vaccine? Because, you believe in Jesus, because Jesus, you got to go with Jesus. Jesus said, if you have faith in me, no harm shall be upon you. You don't need no vaccine. That man said he went to go get it. He got 2 of them.
Right.
I'm like, what? You got 2 shots?
Hey, bro, he gonna get a 3rd or 4th and a 5th one too. That's what they doing, bro. They gotta keep, cause that shit ain't really working how they. And I believe the 5G got something to do with this shit too. But that's another conversation, man. You know what I'm saying? They open the gates. We here. You know what I'm talking about? But we ain't fucking with the jab. They call it the jab. We ain't fucking with that shit. That shit is like somebody got to be really stupid. And I know people done already took it. I ain't mad at you if you already took it. Just try to stay up on your herbs and veggies and shit, your fruits and shit, and that vibe. You know what I'm saying? But like the day I went somewhere, right? I want to go visit somebody, right? So I went right. They over there thick. So, you know, me, they look at me like, you know, little outcast, you know, like, God damn, this nigga. Here he come, you know what I'm talking about? So I come and they was like, you ain't take the vaccine? I was like, nah. You know what I'm talking about? They went to covering up and all. Put that man, you know what I'm saying? That shit is. Yeah, that shit is. So I see what it done did. Now you gonna see who the chosen is. The ones don't take the vaccine, them the chosen. I'ma holler at y'all.
The one
Yo.
that